May 29, 2025 Booty. At least 3 people, including a woman and her son, were killed Tuesday when a gold mining pit collapsed in Ngoro, Booty County, in South Sudan's eastern Equatorial state. Local authorities blamed Prudent Holding Company, accusing it of failing to fill abandoned mining holes, which led to the deaths. The company, managed and owned by the family of the late Gen. Selva Mathik Jengdit, had been mining gold in the area under an agreement with the community. Koko Michael, a lawmaker from the area, told Radio Tamazuj on Friday that the victims entered the pit to search for gold before it caved in. The company failed to cover these holes. If they had, this incident would not have happened, Koko said. He urged the company to fill the abandoned pits and called on the victims' families to pursue legal action against the company. The lawmaker added that the community recently terminated its contract with Prudent Holding due to unmet promises, including road construction, health centers, and schools. For his part, Abraham Selva Mathik, the company's manager, denied the allegations, calling them an attempt by local elites to tarnish the company's reputation. He said the firm remains operational and has fulfilled several community projects, including school renovations, road repairs, and medical donations. We have invested heavily and faced losses, Mathik said. Some leaders prioritize personal interests over the community's needs. He emphasized the need for South Sudan to diversify its economy beyond oil and improve security for businesses. Meanwhile, Francis Oyaklabok, a civil society activist, questioned whether the government was involved in the gold mining agreement in the area, saying authorities should intervene in such cases. Prudent Holding, which is linked to the family of the late Gen. Selva Mathik, describes itself as an ethical mining company focused on environmental stewardship and community development. Several international partners in South Sudan have expressed concerns over the absence of gold revenue in the country's national budget, despite reports indicating that South Sudan may be producing between 30 to 40 tons of gold each year.
Mala mugwa yenge kadel chila taram ko ina linkene ada wala mutat mugan ina kamina Western Equatorial wala moine la taduten tetene diop chichana kamain en tibul te wupsen dan tena diawato chaganok no ne jan Jalago ni adene kam yeo tegene diop tichiliu Western Equatorial Winaka a pool dawa Bunda we yo tan tene tai chago tan den chiliu no jan when go na dene kam ye tai kalgane awal je get go along to buwan we jira mukan chanala mukan go di je go ko di sa describe China tet ya tamar